Hi guys, I'm Nilima and I welcome you back to my channel Exploring MS. So I was going through all the videos that I've created and I just realized that I have not covered a single video on what is MS. So I thought let me go ahead and make this quick video in educating what exactly is MS. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, so what exactly is MS right now? MS stands for multiple sclerosis, and MS is a condition of the brain and spinal cord. It is a disease of a central nervous system that affects our brain and spinal cord. Now, how does it happen? We don't know for sure how it happens, what is the cause. There's no for sure reason why MS happens. Okay, it could be some genetic factor or environmental factor, but nobody knows for sure the reason why MS happens. Okay, and the other thing is there is no cure to, there has been a lot of research, but there's no ultimate cure for MS. Now, as I said, it is a disease of a brain and the spinal cord, right? Now, what happens is that there is a coating in our brain or body which is known as myelin, right? That helps in communicating the messages from our brain to the other part of the body. Now in MS, what happens is our immune system attacks that myelin, causing the damage, right? And that damage disrupts the exchange or the change of the messages from the body to the brain. You understand that, right? So because that nerve is damaged, now the messages that flow from the brain to the body is disrupted. Okay, so when MS attacks, when you see the MRI films, you will see those white patches in your brain. So those patches, once it's there, it cannot be cured as of now, but it can be controlled so that you don't get more, so that your nerves are not damaged any further, right? Whatever is damaged, there is no cure for that. Whatever has happened, that cannot be changed, right? And now because your nerves is damaged, right, as MS, you might face a problem in your vision, you know you might face problem in moving, thinking, so a lot of attacks can occur because of MS attacks, only because your nerves are damaged. Your myelin sheath, which protects the nerve, is damaged by your own immune system. Now, why would your own immune system attack myelin? Is because it treats myelin as a enemy. It does not know that it is a good cell. It assumes that it might be a bad cell, so your immune system goes ahead and attacks your myelin, damaging it. So our focus for all MS patients should be that whatever damage has happened, we can't do anything about it. It cannot be cured, but it can definitely be controlled by a lot of DMTs. So our focus should be to keep it under control. Whatever white patches that you see in your first MRI, we should focus on keeping those white patches to what it was. It should not be deteriorated. That's what our focus should be. So that, because MS can do a lot of damage, right? It being the disease of your brain and the spinal cord, everything is controlled by these two, brain and spinal cord. Spinal cord, if it's damaged, maybe you won't be able to move, you won't be able to walk. Brain, if it's affected, you cannot see, you cannot think. Your thinking power might, you might lose your thinking power, you might lose your vision. So everything is controlled by these two, right? So the idea is to understand what MS is and to keep our disease under control as much as we can, because it's not a small kind of a disease, right? This is something which is really grave, and we have to be very cautious in handling it. So I would suggest that we take good care and take our medications so that our disease is under control. That's what I would say. And I hope this video helps in understanding what MS is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.